Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 8th October. Let's start. In the year of 1860, on this day, the telegraph line was established between Los Angeles and San Francisco, USA. In the year of 1871, on this day, there was a fierce fire in the city of Chicago, USA. It is said that a cow from a Chicago family, Patrick and Catherine O'Leary, stumbled upon a lantern kept near it in the enclosure and started the fire. In the year of 1932, on this day, Indian Air Force was formed. This day is celebrated as Air Force Day. In the year of 1936, on this day, Munshi Premchand, the famous Hindi story writer and novelist, passed away. His major novels, Gavan, Godan, Karambhumi, Rangbhumi, etc. His main stories, Poos Ki Raat, Namak Ka Daroga, Panch Parmeshwar, etc. In the year of 1965, on this day, London's 481-foot tall post office minaret was opened. It was the tallest building in England at that time. In the year of 1967, on this day, Che Guevara and his crew were captured in Bolivia. In the year of 1970, on this day, Soviet writer Alexander Solzhenitsyn received the Nobel Prize. In the year of 1979, on this day, Jayaprakash Narayan, the leader of the Total Revolution, passed away. He is the main hero of BJP. In the year of 1996, on this day, at a conference held in Ottawa, Canada, about 50 countries agreed to impose a worldwide ban on landmines. In the year of 1998, on this day, India became a member of the Flight Safety Foundation. In the year of 2002, on this day, Sahin missile was retested by Pakistan. In the year of 2003, on this day, Miss Venezuela, Goizadar Azua, won the title at the Miss International pageant held in Tokyo. In the year of 2003, on this day, the Nobel Prize was announced to Shirin Ebadi for Iran. In the year of 2004, on this day, Monsanto's patent on Indian wheat was revoked. In the year of 2004, on this day, Kenya's environmentalist Wangari Maathai was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. In the year of 2007, on this day, former Bangladesh Home Minister Mohammad Nasim was sentenced to 13 years in prison. In the year of 2015, on this day, the Nobel Prize for Literature was awarded to Belarusian journalist and author Svetlana Alexievich. In the year of 2018, on this day, American economists William Nordhaus and Paul Romer, who linked climate and innovation with economic growth, were jointly declared the Nobel Prize winners in economics. In the year of 2019, on this day, James Peebles was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his new theories on cosmology, while Michel Mayor and Didier Queloz were jointly awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics for discovering another planet beyond the solar system. In the year of 2020, on this day, American poet Louise Gluck won the Nobel Prize in Literature for her poetic voice that universalizes individual existence. In addition to being a poetess, Gluck is an English professor at the Yale University, Connecticut. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Gujarat government had launched the Digital Seva Setu Phase 1 program for rural areas. Under the program, 3,500 gram panchayats have been connected with optical fiber network of 100 Mbps. It will facilitate online availability of public services. In the year of 2020, on this day, China formally joined the COVAX facility, a global initiative for a COVID-19 vaccine, by signing an agreement with the Gavi Vaccine Alliance. In the year of 2020, on this day, Indian Institute of Science Bangalore has developed a non-invasive bandage with magnetic nanofibers that could potentially treat skin cancer. In 2021, today the Indian Air Force is celebrating its 89th anniversary. The 89th Air Force Day will be observed as the Swarnim Vijay Varsh, where the Indian Air Force will celebrate the victory of the 1971 war. The theme of this year's Foundation Day is Self-Reliant and Capable. The ceremony is being held at Hindon Air Force Station, Ghaziabad. That's all. Thanks for watching and support. Please share the video to your friends and like and subscribe my channel. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.